How to play Monopoly Go with friends. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to play Monopoly Go with friends. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, let's leverage our Monopoly Go. And once you click on that, as you can see, we can actually see the option right here to play with friends. So what you need to do is just connect your Monopoly Go to Facebook. So click on that, click on confirm, and this will redirect us to our Facebook page. So let's just wait for it to load for a while. Click on this continue as that person, and then this will load again, and this will refresh the app. So let's just wait for it to be refreshed. So right now let's click on friends right here, and as you can see, you can add friends, you can invite them. So you can actually invite the person in here, so you can invite it through the messenger app. So if you click on that, it will proceed to your messenger app, and you can send it to a person right there. So once you've done that, you can also click on this copy link right here in order to actually invite and copy the link. You can also click on this contacts right here in order to send this to your friends on your contact. You just gotta link your mobile number right here and click on continue, and you may send a text message to people that you have contacts with in order to invite them to Monopoly Go. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to play Monopoly Go with friends. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.